Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you construction of parabola. Okay, so let us go to the various methods of the parabola. So here, parabola can be construction by following methods: rectangle or oblong method, parallelogram method, tangent method, and general or eccentricity method. In this video, I will show you the first three methods: rectangle, parallelogram, and tangent method. So let's go to the problems. So first problem, draw a parabola of base 120 mm and axis 80 mm by rectangular oblong method. So first we have to construct a rectangular oblong by using 120 axis and 80 mm okay side. Okay, right. So now I will go to the AutoCAD window. Yes, this is AutoCAD window. Okay, first of all, I have to construct a rectangle by using 120 by 80 mm. Okay, so from the draw toolbar, I will pick the line command. I will take the line command. Okay, so let us ortho on. Okay, so 120 and axis 120. Okay, this is 80 and 120 and 80. So you construct like this, and then so you draw the you have to draw like this. Okay, now I will show you the text. A right, AB base CD axis CD, and you can call this as E and F. You can, if you want, you can. This is how we can notation. It's just notation. B C D F. Okay, right. So next the procedure is divide AC into certain number of equal parts and AE also same number of equal parts. Okay, so now I will divide AC into 4 number of equal parts and AE also into same number of equal parts, 4. But AB is a continuous line, so if I want to divide AC into 4 number of equal parts, let us divide AB into 8 number of equal parts. So for this, divide command, DI divide command. Okay, how many select objects, select object, this is the object I want to divide, so the number of equal parts are 8. Okay, so now I am not able to see the point, so set the DDP type, DDP TYP, DDP type. Take this point and set absolute units, then points are divided, same divide AE also same number of equal parts. So DI divide 4. Okay, right. So now if you want, you can give the numbering 1 2 3 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash something like that, but I am not giving the number actually here. So okay, so I will, so the procedure is now I will join this one. I will join AD sorry, not AD, 1D, 2D and this one, right? Okay, next from here you draw a vertical lines, up to here. Okay, so draw vertical lines. So if you are not able to draw here, just draw some, but should be straight. Draw some extra up to here. You can trim later. Okay, you can draw up to here. You can trim, that is better. Okay, if you not perpendicular, then it is a problem. Okay, right. So now I'll go for the trim and I will remove the trims. I'll go to trim and right click. So remove this one up to here and up to here. Okay, right. So now wherever these lines are entered. So first one should be up to here, the first line. Second line should be up to second line. Third line should be third, like this. Okay, now you can change the color and then okay. So I'll keep a points here. Point. Here 1 point. Here 1 point. Here 1 point. Actually, you have to do the same procedure other side also. This side also, but it is a symmetric. So now I can go for the mirror. Go for mirror command. Now select objects. So select these points. So mirror line. Now select the mirror line. Okay, right. So no. Okay, now you got the points other side also. Now you go to spline. Okay. So starting from A here. Okay, right. So this point and this point, this point, this point should pass through D. Okay, right. These points. And finally you have to end with B. Okay, after selection of the B, you show in this direction. Just show it like this. So perpendicular. Select the perpendicular and show in vertical direction and enter so that it will terminate. Now apply thickness to this. So properties, apply thickness to this. Okay, thickness. And here you line weight. You apply the line weight. Okay, right, line weight. So now you got escape. So you got like this. Okay. So now I will keep the dimensioning. Go to dimension. I'll take linear. Zoom in and zoom out so that you can select exactly that point. So okay. So now like this, but the dimension number I am not able to see, is very small. For this, go to dimension. So dimension style, you can go to dimension style, modify, and then bars. Okay, arrow size 5, text size 5, and primary units 0.0. Then say okay. Okay, right. So then close. This is how you can keep the dimension. Now look at this, you are able to see now. Okay, similarly go to dimension here and then linear. Okay, right, this is how you can keep it. So this is construction of parabola by oblong or rectangle method over. Okay, right. So now I will move this to some corner. I will select this and I will move to this one. I will make so ortho off so that it will freely move. Okay, so I'll keep here, not selected properly. Go to move one. Why it is not okay? Let it be. I don't know why. Actually, if I move, it has to move. Okay. Now let's go to the another problem. Okay. So now see. Now we will see parallelogram method. Okay. Inscribe a parabola in a parallelogram of sides 110 mm and 80 mm, the included angle being 60 degrees. Consider the longer side of the parallelogram as the base of the parabola. Generally, longer side we will take it as a base. Previous case also in the parabola oblong method, 120 mm we take it as a base and 80 mm as an axis. Previous problem. Now this case also 110 mm as a base and 80 mm axis. The only difference is here the axis is certain inclination. He has given 60 degrees. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, now let's go to the AutoCAD window. Right, AutoCAD window, right. Okay, so now take line command and then draw a 110 mm. Okay, I'll change the color. Okay, 110 mm first. 110 mm. So take a line command as it is 60-degree inclination. Okay, click here. So 60-degree inclination line you can draw by using at the rate. Okay, the line, what is the line given? 80 mm, right? 110 mm and 80 mm, right? Just I'll check. Yes, 80 mm, yeah, fine. Okay, at the rate 80 is less than 60. So this is how you can draw inclination line. I'll show you once again. Drawing an inclined line. Take a line command. Just click at one end. Now first distance at the rate distance of a line 80 is less than angle of a line 60. This is how we can draw. Now copy this line. Copy line. Okay. Okay, right. Right. Okay. So now this you can give the notation as per this. Okay. Otherwise you can directly do it. Now divide it into DI. Divide this into 8 equal parts. Now divide this also into 8 number of equal parts. Sorry, 4 number of equal parts. Okay. Now, so take the line command. So join this one. Okay, right. So now in the previous case, we have drawn verticals because the axis is perpendicular to the base. In this case, the axis is not perpendicular to the base. The axis is inclination 60 degrees. Okay, I'll show you the inclination also, how to keep the inclination. Okay, so go to dimension, take angular. Okay, here, take angular, click here and here so that it is 160 mm. Okay, you can keep like this. Okay, like this also it is 60 mm, right? So now instead of vertical lines you have to draw 60-degree inclined line. So that I have already drawn, I will copy. Instead of drawing every time I can copy this one. I can trim. Okay, so I will go to copy. I will take this one and I will copy here, here and here as well. Okay, right. I will go to trim and I will trim. First one I have to trim up to here. Second one I have to trim up to here, and third one I have to trim up to here. Okay, right. So now I can delete this line as well. Okay, delete. Okay, now I got these are the points. Okay, if you want you can keep a points. Okay, but you have to do other side also, as this is not symmetric. Okay, symmetric about the axis. This is not symmetric about the axis. You have to draw this side also. Now divide this line into 4 equal parts. Okay, right. Okay, now join this one. Okay, color change in layer. This one. You can use the different color or you can use the same color also, not an issue. Okay, right. So now I will go to again copy and I will copy this one. Okay, see here and here. Okay, right. Now then I will trim this one. First one I will trim up to here. Second one I will trim to up to here. Third one I will trim up to here. Okay, right. Okay, delete. So now I will take a spline command starting from here. Okay, spline. Okay, from here. Okay, just we have to show like this, just to perpendicular, just perpendicular. Okay, okay, show the perpendicular direction and enter so that you will get it. Now apply thickness to this. Now it will come. Already line weight is on, so that it will come. Okay, so this is how we can do parabola by parallelogram method. Okay, right. So if you want to keep the dimension, okay, keep it is. Okay, I'll show you already. Then I will go to the next problem, tangent method. Okay, so tangent method. Okay, what is the given? Draw a parabola of base 150 mm and axis 80 mm by tangent method. This is the problem. Okay, right. So I will go to AutoCAD window now. Okay, what is given? I'll draw here. First of all, base is given 150 mm. Draw a line of 150 mm. Okay, right. Okay, 150. So then take a line command from the midpoint of this is from the midpoint you draw axis 80 mm. Okay, right. This is 80 mm. Here the procedure is you have to draw axis double, already 80 mm. Take line command and one more. This is the procedure here. Tangent method is procedure. Okay, so like this. So now okay, I'll mark what is thing. I'll join this one and I'll like form like a triangle. Join this one. If you want text, I'll keep the text. I'll copy from here so that I need not again go for multi text and all. Okay, right here A, this is B, C, here where it is midpoint of the line, somewhere it is. Okay, endpoint. This is C actually. Sorry, D, and here axis we have drawn double, right? If you want, you can keep one point over there so that where endpoint ikkada. So this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, right. E, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So now construct like this. Next procedure is, so divide A into certain number of equal parts and EB also into same number of equal parts. Let us divide it into 8 equal parts. Divide this into 8 equal parts. Okay, right. Here also same number of equal parts. This is also divided into same number of equal parts. 8. So now if you want, you can give the numbering. If you'd like to give the numbering, you can give the number. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and reverse 7 dash 1 dash. ఇక్కడ okay, right. So this is how. Now I will change this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from here reverse. Okay, this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash. Okay, done. So now I have done the notation and all. Okay, the next procedure I will go to okay. So now the procedure is join 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash, something like that. Okay, take line command, join 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash, 5 5 dash, 6 6 dash, 7 7 dash. You have to complete like this. The next step is, so now you have to draw a parabola starting from A and passing through tangents of these lines, and passing through D, passing through tangents of these lines, and finally ends at B. So this is the way you have to draw the tangent. But it is very difficult to pick the tangent here. So then what I do is I will draw a line segments from here to here, wherever this second line is intersecting the first line like this, and third line intersecting the second line like that. I will draw a line segments, and then from the midpoints of those line segments I will draw a parabola. Okay, right. I will take a different color of the line and I will draw a line segment from here to here intersection. Okay, here to here and here to here. Okay, anyway, this is D. It will pass through. Okay, and line segments from here to here, here to here, and up to here. Okay, so like this you can draw a lines, and now you take a spline command. You take a spline command starting from A and passing through the midpoint of these lines. Okay, midpoint of these lines. Okay, right. Where is this midpoint? Yeah, midpoint, and then line segments midpoint. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Anyway, it will pass through the D point. Okay, point D. Next, this line segment midpoint is this one. This is midpoint, and okay, right. Okay, right. So and then end with the B. Here you have to pick this one. This is how we can end. Now show perpendicular direction. Show the cursor in the perpendicular direction and end. So now you got a perfect parabola. Okay, then apply thickness to this. You have to identify which is parabola. You go for line weight and then apply line weight. Okay. This is how we can draw. Okay, so these are the three methods. Okay, I have shown. Okay, right. Thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.